welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a long time. Today, guys, we are going to cook black beans or aka Njahi. I'm gonna show you how to make them amazing and yummy. So let us begin. You begin, guys, by frying your onions and garlic and ginger.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. The note went right. It's a whole yard full of pans.
Next, we put in our garlic and ginger together with our dhania or coriander stalks. Remember, I said for the flavor, and we let that cook. Also, if you've noticed, I was a bit generous with my oil, and this is because Njahi love a little bit of extra oil. So I've put in my salt and come in with my spices. So spices, you're gonna put them according to your liking, whatever spices you have. Yeah, use that. So, did you all see my secret ingredients? Yes, I love using Royco cubes, but it's not compulsory. But the Royco cubes make my black beans yummier. So, you could try that. After letting that simmer, we come in with our Njahi or the black beans, guys. They're so yummy, so nutritious in iron, calcium, protein, guys. They're so yummy. Most people just dislike them, but they are amazing if you cook them this way. I hope you really consider trying this recipe. So we've added in a bit of water just for the purposes of simmering it down, and we cover that, let that cook for about 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and see how amazing it looks. It looks just so yummy. It is ready. But if you don't want to put in any other vegetables or spices, you can just serve it as it is. But I like mine with grated capsicum or hoho, also grated courgette and the grated carrots. It turns out amazing. It just turns out amazing. Remember to be a bit generous with your oil, as I said. And then you just mix that up, let it sit for a bit, like 2 minutes, and it's gonna be ready. All that is remaining now is served, but before it is served, we are going to let it simmer, and then we'll come in with our coriander, and it will be ready to eat. It looks so yummy. So yummy, guys. So yummy. I wish you guys would try this recipe. now it is ready. All you need to do is garnish it with dania and you're good to go. So, and then we'll serve that up with rice. You can serve it up with any other thing. You can actually just eat it as it is without any accompaniment. So it is so yummy, guys. And we are going right into serving. Consider trying this recipe, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. Black beans are a favorite in my home, and I hope that after trying this recipe, it can also be a fave in your home. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, please consider subscribing to my channel so that we grow this channel. Please tell them, please, guys, consider subscribing for more amazing recipes. Watch the recipes already on our channel. They are amazing, and consider trying them. Please subscribe, share with your family and friends. I'll be so grateful, guys. Let's grow the family. And also try out this recipe. I would just be so happy to hear your feedback in the comment section below. Subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.